Hello, all, this is Kumar Chandan. Welcome to Stock Fixers. We will analyze Bank Nifty and Nifty on the basis of OI and change in OI. We will also check out PCR, Maxpen and trend cycle for the both the indices Bank Nifty and Nifty. We will start with Bank Nifty and check out the closing price of it first. The closing price of Bank Nifty is here 22,321.85 and it is on July 20th. Now we are talking about 23rd July expiry. Now we will discuss the trading range for the Bank Nifty. Trading range is the range between highest call and highest put. Now highest call will act as the highest resistance for Bank Nifty, whereas the highest put will act as the highest support for Bank Nifty. Now for finding highest call, will go through this column, and here we can see 7,19,000 contracts are open with addition of 1,98,000 contracts at 23,000 strikes. So this is going to be the highest resistance for Bank Nifty, followed by here we can see 5,06,000 contracts are open with addition of 1,900 contracts at 22,500 strikes. So this is going to be the second highest resistance. Here we can see the 1,18,000 contract added today only. So this is going to be the immediate resistance for Bank Nifty. Now highest put, that will act as the highest support. For that purpose, we'll go through this column. Here we can see 5,54,000 contracts are open over here with addition of 3,86,000 contracts at 22,000 strike. So this is going to be the highest support for Bank Nifty, followed by here we can see 5,11,000 contracts are open with addition of 82,000 contracts at 21,500. So this is going to be the second highest support for Bank Nifty. Here we can see 1,26,000 contracts are open with the addition of 1,19,000 at 22,300 strikes. So this is going to be the immediate support for Bank Nifty. Now if we talk about the trading range, then here is the trading range 21,500 to 23,000 is the trading range for the Bank Nifty, keeping the pivot level at 22,000 strike. Here we can see around 3,78,000 contracts are open in call side and around 5,54,000 contracts in put side. So this is going to be the pivot. Below this, Bank Nifty will try to go towards 21,500. Above this, Bank Nifty will try to go towards 22,500, then 23,000. So this is the pivot. 22,000 is the pivot. And if we see the net change in call side, this indicates simple indication that call buying was there today, and here indication the put writing was there. So this is an indication of the bullishness of the market. Now we will also check out the Maxpen PCR for it. Before that, we'll move towards Nifty and check out what is going on over it. First, check out the closing around 11,022.20 on 20th July, and we are talking about 23rd July expiry. Now we'll find out the highest call, which will act as the highest resistance, and highest put which will act as the highest support for it. For finding highest call, we'll go through this column. Here we can see 27 lakh contracts are open with addition of 5,21,000 contracts at 11,200. So this is going to be the highest resistance for the Nifty, followed by here we can see 19,87,000 contracts are open with addition of 2 lakh contracts at 11,000. So this is going to be the second highest resistance for Nifty. And if you see other strikes which are giving some call writing over here on this, and also some good addition of call writing over here. So these are the important level for as far as the call writers and resistance is concerned on Nifty. Now yes, put here we can see 26 lakh 40,000 contracts are open with addition of 8 lakh 32,000 contracts at 10,800. So this is going to be the highest support for Nifty, followed by here we can see 24 lakh 93,000 contracts with addition of 6 lakh 64,000 contracts at 10,600. So this is going to be the second highest support. Another level, that is 11,000 level, here you can see around 12 lakh 92,000 contracts are open with huge addition of put writers 10 lakh 24,000 contracts, which is going to be the immediate support for Nifty over here. Now if you see this, the put writers are here, call writers are here. This is an indication that market Nifty may be the range bound to bullish. Now if we talk about the range for the Nifty, it seems to be 10,800 to 11,200. This is going to be the range for the Nifty, keeping the pivot level at 11,000 strike. This is going to be the pivot level. And if we see the net change, this is simple indication the call buying was there, and here the simple indication put writers are there. So this is an indication of bullish trend for the Nifty, and the call writers over here and put writers over here indicates that Nifty may be range bound to bullish. So you have to be careful about it. Now we will check out the max pen and PCR trend cycle. For that purpose we will move towards our website. Here we come website. Here we have organized some free webinar for you, so you can learn from here from free webinars from experts. So if you want to learning anything, you can go through these webinars and enroll for it. Now we will check out the trend cycle and other details for now. Here is the max pen and PCR for Bank Nifty. See, max pen has increased for Bank Nifty, indication bullishness. Nifty also increased, so indication of bullishness. Here is concern, the PCRY is very high, 1.74. This is a concern. This indicates some correction may be near about. So you have to be careful with higher levels because PCRY is very high. Now if we see the trend cycle for Bank Nifty, here see today we have seen some long on Bank Nifty. So this is bullish indication. Here on Nifty we can see long simple bullish. So Nifty is much more bullish than Bank Nifty. This is all about Bank Nifty and Nifty analysis on data. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, please share and subscribe the channel. Thank you very much for watching.